Hey guys, how's it going? It's the Bitcoin Man here, and I'm going to show you a really cool feature in Photoshop. Photoshop is a really powerful tool, you know? A lot of people might think Photoshop, oh, you just edit photos, but no, no, no. There's a lot more to it. But anyway, enough about that. Let me just show you something. So, this is a really cool thing in Photoshop called actions. I'll show you what that is in a moment. So here I have a bunch of pictures I took of a turkey, right? And I took them with my beautiful Huawei P20 Pro with its nice 40 megapixel camera. But here's the problem. These pictures can't be uploaded to some services like Steemit and other places because of not only the file size but also the actual size of the image. It's too big. These are like 4K. I'm pretty sure. Like, let me see. So if you look at this, yeah, it's 60. It's a pretty huge 16 megabyte file, and it's what, 7,000 by 5,000 or more. I'm just not gonna get into it. But anyway, so yeah, if I want to put these on Steemit, I can't. I have to first downsize it and then compress it so that I could upload it. So basically, I would have to go do each one of these in order to upload them. But if you know how to use Photoshop, you can get away with doing something cool, and I'll show you. Something called an action. And what actions do is they allow you to make certain changes to your pictures or whatever, add elements to it, whatever it is. It can get really intricate, and then you can carry it out to multiple images. And not only that, but you can also make a little thing called a droplet, and then you can just drag your images onto this app looking thing, and it'll automatically apply the changes to those pictures and do what you want it to do. So we'll start off by making an action because it's pretty useful. I'm tired of just going and doing this manually. Why not just have a little app I can drop onto, save myself time? So we'll make a new action. P20 resize. Okay, we made the action. It's now recording. The next thing I need to do is to insert a menu item. That's only specific for this kind of action because I need to go up here and drag one of these items. For other actions, you don't need to do this. But this thing can get complicated. But anyway, just I'm showing an example. You really should look into it if you think it's cool. So we'll go image size. Okay. And then I click on, I have to stop recording. I click on this, and then I change it, and I make sure I'm in percentages. And that's going to be useful because if my pictures are not the same dimensions, it'll still apply the desired effect, so to speak, which is to make them smaller. So they're 50 times smaller now. And I go back to record, or I'm pretty much, oh, that's it. That's all I need to do for this one. I could add some more things, like a auto tone and auto contrast, but I really don't want to do that because I rather see what I'm doing. I'm just trying to make a simple little bit that'll resize my images. And then I think I'll also try to insert menu action, save as. Okay. And now we can go here and customize this. We want to save it to the desktop. Or actually, maybe we make a new folder called P20. Okay, I don't like this. I have it organized better than this. Come on, Max. You're better than this. Pictures. Art. Steemit. New folder. Resized. Or that's it. Just here is fine. Okay. JPEG. Save as. Quality. We'll put on 4. 5 5, fine. Should be okay. And that's it. My action is done. I can apply this to multiple images, but I'm not going to show you how to do that. If I want to do that, I go to automate and I go batch. Choose my action, P20 resize, choose folder where I want to save it. But what I want to do is save myself even more time. And basically I'm going to go here and create a droplet. That's like an app. So that's my app. Save droplet as. We'll put it in the same folder. Call it P20 resize. I'm going to save it there. Resize. We're going to stop for errors. No, we're going to log errors. I'm going to save that as in there as well. Errors. Okay. Folder. Okay, and then we can choose where we want to save it. So we'll choose to save it here. Okay, document name, that's all fine. I don't care about that. I think I'm good. I don't want to. Okay. And I have my droplet, I believe. Ooh. You have entered a portal. Yes, indeed. Here's our droplet right there, gentlemen and ladies. So now what I want to do is I can go open another bit of this right there. So if I go here, these are all my pictures, right? There they are, all my images, right? So the moment of truth, I drag these onto there. Oh, hold on, what's going on? I should just probably close this first. Don't save. And let's give that another go. Oh, okay. I'm just getting in the way here. It's doing it itself. Or is it? Oh, okay. It just doesn't do the saving end. Just can hold down enter and I'll do that. You can hold down the enter key because the last bit it wants you to save. Well, yeah, this saves a lot of time, so that's it. Now if I go check here, I have a bunch of images. Get info. This image is almost 1 megabyte and the size is lower and it still looks decent. Well, it's a shitty picture, but because the dang turkey was running, okay? It's hard. It's a moving target. You don't understand. But anyway, so that's it. You should learn Photoshop if you make art. There's a lot to do. There's so many tools and so many things you can do. That's it. Thanks. Peace and love, y'all. I'm out.